Hello and welcome back to my YouTube videos. It's been a very long time since I've been able to do this, but finally we've received a package and I'm very excited to open it for you guys. Next week I'm hoping to get one as well, so we will be set for a little while. So let us get into it. Alright, let me just slice this down. Let's just hope not to show my address. Oh yeah, I forgot they give you little comics with this. Oh, I sliced right through it. Forgot about those. Anyways, it's it's starving Emika. Ugh, I'm so hungry after using magic. At times like this, using magic to bring out a meal. I can eat so much, I'm not so happy. What are you doing? I get hungry whenever I use magic, so I can't stop. That's really cute. I really like the purplish. Oh, and they're making mochi. Alright, let's get into the rest of it. So, I have a few things today. Oh, okay. I didn't know the sizes of these, but I still got them. So, I have Shinsamyan pouches today. I have Makima, Aki, and I also have Power. So, Aki, Makima, and Power. So, I got Makima, Aki, like in a bigger size, and then Power in a smaller size, so I can just take it around with me. The quality of these feel really good. I thought it was going to be like a plastic, but yeah, let's get into it. Bam! And so, designs actually go all the way to the bottom. And for Makima, they did a blue and red. So here's the front of hers. Here's the back. Their eyes. Oh, that is so powerful. And it's just called a handy pouch. Sorry, my hands are like going in this. A handy pouch. And just the inside. Then we'll open Aki's. Oh, love this color. Ooh. So his is like indigo and magenta, pink. I'm not sure. And his zipper is actually a pinkish instead of the same white. In the back, I absolutely love this as well. And here's the same tag. And last but not least, we have Power. This is really cute. So for Powers, or for at least the small pouches, I am not exactly sure if they differ from these ones as well. But for the small pouches, you can see they have the name in more like a paint style and Chainsaw Man in the back, as opposed to the clean squarish rectangle with Chainsaw Man in it. And here's Power. She has her color scheme going on. She has mostly pink on hers. Pink and her red, her little blue. And here is the back. This one I honestly would say is not as powerful as the other ones, where it's like you can clearly see the design. but it's still really cute, and the top is cute as well. Here is this one. This one is called an earphone pouch. It's not a handy pouch because it's a bit smaller. And these ones, they have just a plain silver zipper, whereas this one has a little keychain zipper where you can just clip things on. This is pretty sturdy. And inside they just have some foam to keep it shaped for you, like those little packets for refreshing. And then on the inside, it is kind of like a soft leather. I wouldn't say exactly super soft. But yeah, this is super cute. You can keep your coins in here. You can keep whatever you want in here. So when it fully extends, it can go into almost a square shape. But for the most part, it is more of a triangular one. And for these handy pouches, exact same thing. We have foam in here. And for the inside of them, I'm not sure if the small ones are all the same color. But for the inside of the Aki one, we have a blue, and it's more like a nylon instead of the leathery. Have Chainsaw Man tag in here, like a very basic one. And yeah, this is all for this. It's a really nice blue, the same as the outside. Mickey Mouse. Let's see. Okay, so we have the exact same thing going on here, just with a nice baby blue, same nylon material, and yep. These ones are basically exactly how they look this way, and then when you close them up, same way. So here are all the book bags. Pouches? Yeah, all the pouches. And thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to have more videos for you guys again. I really appreciate it. We are almost, I think we're at 19 subscribers. I really appreciate it. That means a lot to me. I'm glad that there are people liking and commenting as well. Thank you, and see you guys next time.